Welcome back, viewers. Today, we have an important topic to discuss that is essential for all industries: process safety management, PSM. In this video, we will explore the 14 key elements of PSM, focusing on how each element contributes to ensuring safety, preventing incidents, and protecting lives. So, let's dive in. Hi there, you're watching Ask an Engineer. On this channel, we strive to spread awareness about critical topics that impact our lives and the world around us. Today, we're diving into the subject of process safety management, which plays a crucial role in maintaining safe working environments. The first element of PSM is employee participation. It involves engaging workers in safety discussions, encouraging them to provide input, and incorporating their knowledge and experience into safety protocols. Employee participation goes beyond mere compliance. It fosters a culture of ownership and accountability for safety. By actively involving employees in safety decisions, organizations tap into their expertise and gain valuable insights that can improve overall safety measures. This collaborative approach empowers employees to identify potential hazards, suggest safety enhancements, and contribute to a safer work environment. Process hazard analysis is the second element of PSM. It is a systematic and comprehensive evaluation of potential hazards associated with the processes and materials used in an industry. This analysis helps identify and assess risks, enabling companies to implement appropriate control measures to mitigate those risks effectively. Process hazard analysis methods can vary, including techniques like HAZOP, Hazard and Operability Study, FMEA, Failure Mode and Effects Analysis, and What-If Analysis. By conducting regular and thorough process hazard analyses, organizations can stay proactive in identifying potential hazards and taking necessary actions to prevent incidents before they occur. Training is the third crucial element of PSM. It ensures that employees are equipped with the necessary knowledge and skills to work safely. Proper training programs cover a wide range of topics, including hazard recognition, emergency response procedures, personal protective equipment, PPE, usage, and safe operating practices. Effective training goes beyond initial onboarding. It includes regular refresher courses and updates to keep employees up to date with changing safety protocols and technologies. Ongoing training efforts create a safety-conscious workforce, where employees are well prepared to handle potential hazards and respond appropriately to any unforeseen circumstances. The pre-startup safety review is the fourth element of PSM. It involves conducting a comprehensive assessment before new processes or modifications to existing processes are initiated. This review ensures that all safety measures, procedures, and controls are in place and operational before beginning operations. During the pre-startup safety review, potential hazards associated with equipment, materials, personnel, and external factors are evaluated. It also involves verifying the availability and adequacy of safety systems, emergency response plans, and any necessary training programs for personnel involved. By conducting thorough reviews, organizations can identify and address any potential safety issues before they become significant problems. The fifth element of PSM is the hot work permit. It is a controlled system used to manage activities involving open flames or high-temperature operations. A hot work permit ensures that proper precautions are taken, fire risks are minimized, and necessary safety measures are in place before carrying out hot work activities. The hot work permit process typically involves assessing the work area, identifying potential fire hazards, ensuring the availability of fire prevention and suppression equipment, and obtaining authorization from authorized personnel. By implementing a hot work permit system, organizations can prevent fire incidents and protect the safety of workers and the surrounding environment. Incident investigation is the sixth element of PSM. It involves thoroughly investigating accidents, near misses, or any undesirable events that occur in the workplace. The purpose of incident investigation is to understand the root causes of incidents, identify contributing factors, and develop corrective actions to prevent similar incidents from occurring in the future. During an incident investigation, a systematic approach is followed, including gathering factual information, analyzing data, interviewing involved parties, and identifying the underlying causes. It is crucial to create an environment where reporting incidents is encouraged without fear of retribution, ensuring that valuable lessons are learned and shared across the organization. The seventh element of PSM is compliance audit. It involves evaluating the adherence to safety regulations, industry standards, and internal safety policies within the organization. Regular compliance audits help identify areas of improvement, ensure that safety protocols are followed, and demonstrate the commitment to maintaining a safe working environment. Compliance audits can be conducted internally or by third-party auditors. They assess various aspects, including documentation, procedures, training records, equipment maintenance, and the overall implementation of safety measures. By conducting regular compliance audits, organizations can identify potential gaps, rectify non-compliance issues, and continuously improve their safety performance. Process safety information is the eighth element of PSM. It involves gathering and maintaining data about the equipment, materials, and procedures used in the processes. Having accurate and up-to-date process safety information ensures that potential hazards are properly identified, and necessary safety measures are implemented. Process safety information may include equipment specifications, design codes and standards, material safety data sheets, process flow diagrams, and piping and instrumentation diagrams. By maintaining a comprehensive repository of process safety information, organizations can ensure that employees have access to the necessary data to understand the hazards associated with their work and make informed decisions. The ninth element of PSM is operating procedures. Clear and well-documented operating procedures provide step-by-step instructions for safely conducting processes. They outline the sequence of operations, safety precautions, required equipment, and emergency response procedures. Operating procedures should be easily accessible, regularly reviewed, and updated to reflect any changes in processes or safety protocols. They serve as valuable tools for employees, ensuring consistency in operations, reducing human error, and mitigating potential hazards. The 10th element of PSM involves managing contractors. When contractors work on site, they must adhere to the same safety protocols and standards as regular employees. Ensuring that contractors are aware of and follow safety procedures helps maintain a consistent safety culture across all aspects of the operation. Effective contractor management includes pre-qualification processes, safety training specific to the project, regular safety inspections, and open communication channels to address any safety concerns. By holding contractors accountable for safety performance, organizations can ensure that their work aligns with the same high standards set for their employees. Mechanical integrity is the 11th element of PSM. It focuses on ensuring that equipment is designed, fabricated, installed, and maintained in a safe and reliable manner. Regular inspections, testing, and maintenance of equipment help identify potential issues, prevent failures, and minimize the risks associated with equipment malfunctions. Mechanical integrity activities may include equipment inspections, non-destructive testing, calibration of instruments, lubrication, and preventive maintenance. Organizations should establish clear guidelines, maintenance schedules, and record-keeping systems to ensure that mechanical integrity requirements are met, promoting equipment reliability and safe operations. The 12th element of PSM is the management of change. It focuses on assessing and managing the potential impacts of any modifications to processes, equipment, or procedures. Changes can include alterations to the design, technology upgrades, or organizational restructuring that may affect safety. The management of change process typically involves evaluating the need for change, identifying potential hazards and risks, conducting a risk assessment, obtaining approvals, communicating changes to employees, providing necessary training, and monitoring the effectiveness of the implemented changes. By effectively managing changes, organizations can prevent unintended consequences that may compromise safety. The 13th element of PSM is emergency planning and response. It involves developing comprehensive plans and procedures to address potential emergencies that may arise during operations. Emergency planning includes identifying potential hazards, developing evacuation plans, establishing communication protocols, and providing training to employees on emergency response procedures. It is crucial to conduct regular drills and exercises to test the effectiveness of emergency plans and ensure that employees are well prepared to respond to different emergency scenarios. By having robust emergency planning and response measures in place, organizations can minimize the impact of emergencies, protect lives, and reduce property damage. The final element of PSM is the protection of trade secrets. While it's essential to protect proprietary information, it should not compromise safety. Organizations must strike a balance between safeguarding trade secrets and ensuring that necessary safety information is shared with employees and relevant stakeholders. It is important to establish clear protocols and agreements regarding the sharing of safety-related information while respecting the confidential nature of trade secrets. By fostering a culture of trust, organizations can maintain the integrity of trade secrets while prioritizing safety and preventing incidents. And that concludes our extended discussion on the 14 key elements of process safety management, PSM. Each element plays a crucial role in creating and maintaining safe working environments, preventing incidents, and safeguarding lives. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more content on critical topics like this. Stay committed to process safety management and prioritize the well-being of yourself and those around you. Thank you for joining us today. Remember, by implementing these elements and fostering a culture of safety, we can make a significant impact in creating a safer and more secure working environment. Take care, and see you in our next video.